The challenge of exporting motivates women entrepreneurs to lead an economic project of change and growth, to develop in a new context with flexibility and adaptability, implies commitment and capacity building, and requires the support and strength that organizations and women's networks provide. The participation of women entrepreneurs in export to the European Union implies creating networks between local women entrepreneurs with women like us in the European Union. Capacity building. Participating and collaborating with the organizations of our country and the EU to build functional export models and obtain the necessary resources. Creating a better world with social responsibility, care for the environment, and respect for regulatory frameworks. And of course, a lot of courage. We can build bridges for export working with women entrepreneurs from the European Union. Far is near when women work together.